Hello and welcome to the Carnival of Cricket, World Cup 99. This should be a cracker. Nice to have you with us. 180 of the world's best players in the World Cup. It's $1 million up for grabs, so that makes it, I think, the most exciting cricket of the lot. And it gets no more exciting than Australia against New Zealand. Another battle royale tonight, the Battle of the Tasman. They love to beat us. I guess as much as we love to beat England, the Kiwis love to beat us. Ian Healy, grudge match?
I think it might be. As Stephen Fleming has been quoted, that there's no love lost between the two sides, and that we've got a long history playing against the Kiwis, and I think both sides are well equipped to put on a great show tonight.
Do you get itchy feet time like this? Do you wish you were out there with the gloves on?
A little bit actually tonight, and the opener of the World Cup I did that, but I've become accustomed not to playing the one-day game, so I'm not too worried about it, but I'm a little bit anxious tonight.
Now, being played at Cardiff, the Welsh capital, you've scored 1 or 2 centuries there, have you?
Another county ground I can't strike off, Ray. Just basic county games that I've played there, not too much success for me with the bat.
The Aussies should be favourites. Let's have a look at the team. First up, the Australian team.
Yeah, these are both sides who are very well balanced for the one-day game, offering their captains plenty of options with bat and the ball. We right down the order there for Australia.